Welcome to this month's video tutorial. This month's tutorial is on how to create 3D book covers, ebooks, special reports, and other digital covers that you can use to promote your product, your digital products on the web. So I'm using this. This is a handbook written about a month or so ago, and I'm just going to create an ebook cover for it. So I'm going to first thing I'm going to do is with this, I'm going to create a screen capture of the cover itself. So here's the cover. Basically, I'm on a Mac, so I'm using Command, Shift, and the number 4 to create that. And you can do something similar on a PC and just capture the part of the screen that you want to capture. So here is the ebook. It's, I think, 38 pages, something like that. Not going to go through the whole thing. I'll just show you that I just did this screen capture. And then we're going to go over to a website called Pixlr Editor, pixlr.com/editor. You can do a lot of different things with Pixlr Editor, but for this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an ebook cover. So you click first Open Image from Computer, and I'm going to open an image called Book Cover Plain, and actually I want the book mock-up 3D PNG. Okay, so you want to make sure that the image is a transparent background. And by the way, with this video tutorial, you'll get several images with transparent backgrounds that you can upload to Pixlr. So I'm uploading that, and here's what it looks like. So then I want to add another image because I want to create the book cover. So I'm going to click on Layer, and I'm going to add Open Image as Layer. So then I'm going to open the screenshot I just did of that cover. Make sure it comes up. And I'm going to click Open because you want it to go over the top of the other image. Then I'm going to go into Edit, and I'm going to hit Free Distort. That's how we're going to create the cover. And you can see here that the cover can be manipulated with this way. It's very cool because a lot of these other programs you can't do. Now you could do this in Photoshop, and if you're adept at Photoshop, you don't need this anyway. But I'm doing a very quick and easy tutorial that anybody can do. People who are not real good with Photoshop, don't know the first thing about it, or just don't want to mess with it. So I've clicked on the image distort, the image I showed you. Oops, can't do that yet. Hold on a second. Let me go back there in a second. So I want to make sure that everything's lined up properly with the book so that it looks like an actual cover. So you have to sometimes play around with it. Sometimes you got to do it 2 or 3 times in order for it to line up perfectly. But I think it's pretty well done. All right, so then I'm going to hit, as soon as my computer stops, I'm going to hit, and it's going to say, do you want to apply the changes? So I hit yes. You can click anything. You can hit save. So now this image has been saved. Now I want to download it. So you can see, and there are different ebook covers. I just chose this one because it's really easy to use. And there are several other types, but for this example, this was good. I'm going to click on save, and I'm going to hit, I want to save it as the name of the book. So I'm going to click Content Creation Ebook Cover. And you want to put the word cover because you're saving it as an image, and you want to make sure you can find it again. So I always add the word cover to it so that I can find it. And then I'm clicking OK, and I want to save it to my desktop. So I'm going to click Save, and the image has been saved. And then we just have to find it again. So let me just show you where it is. I'm going into my Finder because I want to click Downloads. No, it's under Desktop. So it'll show the most recent one. There it is. So I'm just clicking on it so you can see what it looks like. It should open up in a second. Sometimes the computer's a little slow, but there you go. Perfectly sized, etc. Looks like a real ebook cover. And it's got a nice transparent background, so you can overlay it anywhere you want, on another image if you want. You can put it just on a page, etc. So again, that is the content creation ebook cover for this video training. And be sure and click on the links in this on this page so that you can download the clipboard mock-up, notepad, a guide, and 2 book covers, a spiral book cover. I think there's a couple of those, and a report cover. So there's 5 or 6 cool ones you can use. Very, very simple. And again, this is Heidi from Women in E-Commerce. I hope you're having a great day. Thanks.